Given the two circles, center C1, we have one circle C1, center is at 1, 0 and the radius is equal to 1 unit. We have another circle C2 which has the equation x square minus 12x plus y square plus 20 is equal to 0. So we certainly know that the center of the circle is not at origin, and if the center of the circle is not at origin, then the equation of such a circle is given by x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, where r is the radius, h and k are the coordinates of center. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this expression first, which happens to be x square plus h square minus 2xh plus y square plus k square minus 2yk minus r square is equal to 0. Let's simplify this further. We can write it as x square minus 2xh plus y square plus minus 2yk plus h square plus k square minus r square is equal to 0. Now we have here two equations and I'm going to compare them. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. In these two equations, what we can see is that x square are the same, y square are the same. Now let's compare the other part. That means minus 12x on the first equation should be equal to minus 2xh, which means minus sign cancelled out, x cancelled out, h is equal to 6. And similarly, this minus 2yk, there is no term of 2yk in the first equation. That means negative 2yk should be equal to 0. That means k should be equal to 0. And the third thing is 20, and that constant should be equal to h square plus k square minus r square, that is equal to 20. We are substituting the values of h and k. That means 36 plus 0 minus r square is equal to 20. So r comes out to be 36 minus 20, 16. The square root of 16 is equal to 4. So we have the second circle which has center at 0.6, 0 and the radius of the circle is equal to 4. So the next step is drawing the figure. In coordinate geometry question, one thing that I always recommend is that one should always draw the figure. So let's quickly draw a figure. We have this particular x and y axis. This is x axis. Here we have y axis. Let's mark the units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the first circle, that means circle C1, will have the radius 1 and the center is at 1.1, 0. That means that circle will have center at this particular point and the radius will be this way. So it is intersecting the x-axis at 2, 0. There is another circle and the other circle has center at 6, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means we have to draw a circle with center at this point and the radius is equal to 4. Now one thing that's quite interesting in this particular question is that 2, 0 turns out to be the point of intersection of the two circles, and in this case we can certainly see that there are three common tangents that we can draw to these circles. The one common tangent will look like this, the second common tangent will be a line such as this, and the third common tangent will be a line that will pass through the point of intersection and it will be parallel to x-axis. So here we have three lines which are touching these two circles at outer side. So the answer to the question happens to be option D. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. Thank you so much.